Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Betterment. Is it the best investing app this year or just good for beginners? Let's find out. Betterment is a fully automated investing platform that builds diversified portfolios from low cost ETFs based on your goals and risk tolerance. It also includes automatic rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, retirement planning tools, and even cash management accounts with FDIC protection. Here are the pros of the Betterment. It's a low fees, around 0.25 annually or $4 per month with no minimum requirement on digital plan. And also the tax efficiency is automatic. Tax loss harvesting and coordinated tax strategies can boost after tax returns. And it is a goal focused tools and it has a cash management, but it also have limitations. You can't fine-tune portfolios as much as self-directed platforms, and also you need around $100,000 to access a full certified planner support. And some users report a slow support or account hassle with banking or withdrawal issues. Performance can vary. Some investors feel returns lag broad market indexes once fees are included. So, is this the best investing app in 2025? Yes, if you're a beginner or hands off investor looking for easy automated portfolios, tax tools, and retirement planning. And maybe not if you want a deep customization, low fees at scale, or advanced trading features. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.